Hi guys, I'm Dr. Vinod Pankaj Misra and you are welcome in my YouTube channel Pankaj Institute of English. So dear friends, I am here with 200 MCQs of pedagogy and English in use. This is part first. Dear friends, these questions are very important and useful for competitive exam like SET एंड अदर कम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम रिलेटेड टू इंग्लिश। तो यदि आपको भी इस प्रकार के क्वेश्चन पसंद आए तो इन्हें ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लाइक करिए, शेयर करिए और यदि आप चैनल के लिए नए हैं तो प्लीज़ इसे सब्सक्राइब करिए, बेल आइकन को प्रेस करिए ताकि आपको नोटिफिकेशन प्राप्त हो सके। शुरू करते हैं हमारा आज का फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 आर रेफरेंस टू कैरेक्टर्स एंड इवेंट्स ऑफ mythology means। Again, the question is a reference to characters and events of mythology means. Option A allusion, option B allegory, option C Alexandrine, and option D affective. Option D affective. So the correct answer is option A allusion is the correct answer. Now question number second, an extended narrative which carries a second meaning along with its surface story is known as. Option A exposition, option B conceit, option C symbol, and option D allegory. So allegory is the correct answer, option D. Now question number 3, by Alexandrine be mean. Option A ugly sounds, option B model of excellence, option C a 12 syllable iambic line used in old French poem, and option D none of these. So the correct answer is option C, a 12 syllable iambic line used in old French poem. Option C is the correct answer. Now question number 4, an eclogue is a. An eclogue is a. Option A poem expressing lament or sorrow. Option B short pastoral poem in which shepherds converse with one another. Option C short lyric describing an incident of deep sorrow like death. And option D none of the above. None of the above. So the correct answer is B, short pastoral poem in which shepherds converse with one another. Now question number 5. Which one of the following term is applied to a character type or plot pattern or description which recurs frequently in literature and is thought to evoke profound emotional responses in the reader by evoking an image already existing in his unconscious mind? Option A myth, option B Oedipus complex, option C archetype, and option D anagnorisis. So anagnorisis. So which one is the correct answer? The correct answer is option C archetype. Now question number 6. Affective fallacy was used by American critic Bimset and. Option A Beardsley, option B Ezra Pound, option C T.S. Eliot, and option D Lawrence Durrell. So which one is the correct answer? The correct answer is option A Beardsley. Option A is the correct answer. Now question number 7. 7. Aphasia. Aphasia denotes option A poetic diction, option B lighter writings, option C ludicrous situations, and option D language disorder. Language disorder. So option D language disorder is the correct answer. Now question number 8. Village letter means. Village letter means option A beautiful letter writing, option B beautiful handwriting, option C lighter writing in prose, and option D masterpiece works. Masterpiece work. So option C lighter writing in prose is the correct answer, option C. Now question number 8 9. What is meant by denouement in drama? Option A the final unraveling of the plot, option B the anticlimax, option C the expected end, and option D none of the above. None of the above. So option A, the final unraveling of the plot, option A is the correct answer. Now question number 10. A product of human workmanship is known as. A product of human workmanship is known as. Option A, acrostic, option B, assonance, option C, acronym, and option D, artifact. Artifact. So option D, artifact is the correct answer. A product of human workmanship is known as artifact. Now question number 11. A person who remains nameless is known as. A person who remains nameless is known as. Option A, a word, option B, anonymous, option C, apologue, and option D, anagram. Anagram. So option B, anonymous, is the correct. Option B is the correct answer. Now question number 12. A caesura is in poetry is. A caesura in poetry is. Option A, pause in a line of verse dictated by the meters. And option B, a pause in a line of verse not dictated by the meters but by the natural rhythm of the language. Option C, a pause after every stanza inbuilt into the rhythm of the language and meter. And option D, any pause in poetry. So the again question is, a caesura in poetry is. Which one is the correct answer? The correct answer of this question is option B. Option B. Option B. Yes, option B. A pause in a line. Option B. A pause in a line of verse not dictated by the meters but by the natural rhythm of the language. Now question number 13. Young people using unconventional dress, manners, and behavior as a way of social protest is. Option A, beantick. Option A, beatnik. Option B, analogy. Option C, collate. And option D, verbata. Verbata. So option A, beatnik is the correct answer. Beatnik is the correct answer. Now question number 14. Bathos means intentional ludicrous descent from the exalted to the commonplace. Option B, unintentional ludicrous descent from the exalted to the commonplace. Option C, sudden rise to an exalted style from the commonplace. And option D, none of the above. None of the above. So option B, unintentional ludicrous descent from the to the commonplace. Option B is the correct answer. Now question number 15. A musical force popular in the 18th or 19th century England is. A musical force popular in the 18th or 19th century England is. Option A. Option A. Option A. Option A, Barbata, option B, Clariot, option C, Axiom, and option D, none of these. So, which one is the correct answer? The correct answer is option A, Barbata. Yes, option A, Barbata is the correct answer. Now, question number 16. A woman having literacy test is known as. A woman having literacy test is known as option A, buskin, option B, Anna paste, option C, blue stocking, and option D, none of the above. None of the above. So option C, blue stocking. A woman having literacy test in is known as blue stocking. Option C is the correct answer. Now question number 17. Now question number 17. Negative capability. Yes. Negative capability. Negative capability is term associated with. Negative capability terms. Yes, negative capability is a term associated with option A Coleridge, option B Keats, option C Tagore, and option D Shelley. So option B Keats is the correct answer. Now question number 18. Lampoon. Lampoon is a crude, defamatory satire usually attacking A or N. Option A race, option B country, option C religion, and option D individual. Individual. So option D is the correct answer. Lampoon is a crude, defamatory satire usually attacking an individual. Now question number 19. Which one of the following comprises an accented syllable followed by one unaccented syllable? Option A dactyl, option B an anapist, option C a torchy, and option D an iamb. An iamb. So the correct answer is option C. A torchy is the correct answer. Now question number 20. Which of the following is not the offshoot of romanticism? Which of the following is not the offshoot of romanticism? Option A classicism, option B aesthetic theory, option C pre-Raphaelitism, and option D supernaturalism. Supernaturalism. So which one is the correct answer? Option A classicism is the correct answer. Now question number 21. Humanism is the most pronounced in option A romanticism, option B renaissance, option C classicism, and option D new classicism. New classicism. So which one is the correct answer? Option B renaissance is the correct answer. नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 22 विच इज़ द सेकंड लास्ट क्वेश्चन ऑफ दिस वीडियो। डियर फ्रेंड्स, यदि आपको इस प्रकार के क्वेश्चन पसंद आए तो इन्हें ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लाइक करिए, शेयर करिए, और यदि आप चैनल के लिए नए हैं तो प्लीज़ इसे सब्सक्राइब करिए, बेल आइकन को प्रेस करिए ताकि इस प्रकार के वीडियो जब भी अपलोड हों तो उनका नोटिफिकेशन आप तक पहुँच सके। अ मिरेकल प्ले इज़ द वन इन विच ऑप्शन ए इम्प्रूवेबल एंड सेंसेशनल characters are shown, option B supernatural beings are displayed, option C sacred subjects are represented, and option D medieval setup and themes are dealt with. So the correct answer is option C sacred subjects are represented. Option C is the correct answer. Now question number 23. What does the term Deus ex machine means? Option A God out of the machine, option B devil out of the machine, option C man out of the machine, and option D beast out of the machine. So option A God out of the machine is the correct answer. These are some questions, dear friends. यदि आपको इस प्रकार के पसंद आए हों तो थैंक यू फॉर